Hi guys, and welcome back to Science Studies. We are working on ecosystems and energy. This is part 2. This is the last slide. I kind of cut you guys off early last time. I'm sorry about that. But here we go. What is a habitat? A home is like a home, a space a living being lives in, inhabits, defined by biological requirements of each particular organism. So it can be like a hermit crab shell, but then there's the ocean too, right? So you got to choose one of those two. Then you got niche. I call it niche because I think of Monty Python and the Holy Grail. That's one of the best movies ever made. And I think of when King Arthur comes across the Knights of Niche. So you're gonna hear me call it Niche 1,000 times. A job. It includes all way organisms affect other organisms with which it interacts, as well as how it modifies its physical surroundings. Where I live where there are lots of mountain lions. So a mountain lion's job is to control the number of deer. They eat it, they hunt it, and they really play a good. You're like, oh, they're scary, they're gonna come and eat me. No, actually, it's really good that they're there, and you'd be amazed on what you wouldn't have without mountain lions. Species, a category of organisms in which individuals within the group can potentially interbreed and produce viable offspring. So, this is one of my favorite parts. We might spend the entire video talking about this, the entire part talking about this, but this is cool. Did you know that a mule is a horse and a donkey combined? It blew me away when I learned that. I was like, whoa! And did you know that a mule can't make another mule? It's not viable. It can't make another breed of itself. Only horses and donkeys can mate and have a mule. A mule can't have a mule. It's really amazing, and I just think that's super cool. It's just they can't stand it. They aren't advanced enough. They don't have enough of their kind to. I mean, you could have 2 mules in the backyard, one boy, one girl, and then wow, bang, they'll try, but they can't. They can't do it. They can't, do it. But a horse and a horse can make a horse, and that horse that they have can make a horse. It's weird, and I still don't really understand the concept. Scientists don't really understand the concept, but we are really reaching out further to try to get over there. Major roles of organisms in the ecosystems. We got producers, which are photosynthetic life, plants, algae, and photoplankton. So, zooplankton in the ocean, they do photosynthesis. They convert light energy, something non-solid, from the sun into stored chemical energy, glucose, sugar, which is solid, that most other forms of life rely on for energy and form for the bottom of the food chain. What do we have next? Photosynthesis. This is the reaction for photosynthesis. It's 6 carbon dioxides, 6 waters. It turns into, this is our science turned into, 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, 6 oxygens, plus 6 oxygens. Oxygens cannot stand alone. I know you're probably yelling at me for saying this, but oxygens always have to have a double. I say it in every single video, every single minute. There you go. That is not part of our list. Roles of organisms. Consumers consume organic matter to provide themselves with energy and organic matter necessary for growth and survival. It's not the plant. We are the consumer. We consume the spaghetti. We consume the burrito. We consume the pizza. It might not be good, but we still need it. Primary consumers, herbivores. So deer, they eat only plants and berries that come up from plants. Secondary consumers are carnivores, pretty much. What I just said about meat. And then we got omnivores, plants and meat. So we are actually omnivores because we eat salad and we eat a hot dog on the side, right? All right, so that's all for this particular part. We're going into part 3. We're almost done here, people. Hang in there. Thank you.